Hi friends. This is Satya Papu from India. This article has been taken from Onpassive blog. How to use ChatGPT AI to take your SEO strategy to the next level. ChatGPT AI has quickly become one of the most important tools in any search marketer's toolbox. This powerful artificial intelligence (AI) system can help you create better and more targeted content, better understand and optimize your website, and even help you with link building. This article will show you how to use ChatGPT AI to take your SEO strategy to the next level. We'll look at a few ways search marketers can leverage ChatGPT AI for SEO today. We'll review how it can help you craft better content, optimize your website more effectively, and discover new previously hidden link building opportunities. By the end of this article, you'll have a much better understanding of how to use ChatGPT AI and be able to apply its capabilities in your SEO efforts with confidence. Let's get started. What is ChatGPT AI? You've probably heard of chatbots and how they can be used to help make customer service more efficient. But have you heard of ChatGPT AI? It's the latest advancement in AI technology, a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence that can automate SEO tasks and improve search engine optimization. ChatGPT AI is a natural language processing platform that enables you to create conversations with your customers, keeping them engaged and informed. It also puts you in a position to directly interact with your prospects naturally, as if they were talking to an actual human being, while still using the power of AI. Unlike other chatbots, it helps you generate more personalized content tailored specifically for each customer's intent and profile. This means that you can provide personalized answers to your customers' questions and use the data collected from their conversations to create targeted content that resonates with them on a deeper level. How to use ChatGPT for SEO. Now that you know why ChatGPT AI should be part of your SEO strategy, let's look at how you can use it to get results. Here are a few ways search marketers can leverage this AI for SEO today. Research competitors' keywords. Take advantage of ChatGPT AI's natural language processing capabilities to understand which keywords competitors target, giving you the edge on Google searches. Analyze search query results. Use ChatGPT AI to analyze the data from search queries and identify opportunities to adjust or expand your SEO strategy. This can help you determine what types of content have the most potential for generating organic traffic. Monitor trends. Track trends over time with ChatGPT AI and optimize your SEO strategies accordingly. By staying informed on the latest trends in your industry, you can adjust your content production and keyword selection to keep up with the times. Generate new content ideas. With ChatGPT AI, you can't just analyze existing web pages, you can also generate new content ideas based on user queries and industry trends. Automate reporting. Put together automated reporting with ChatGPT AI to gain insights into your content's performance. Adjust adjustments accordingly without investing much manual effort into data gathering and analysis. Monitor SERPs. Rank monitoring is essential for successful search engine optimization. ChatGPT AI can help you monitor SERPs quickly and efficiently so that you can make adjustments when needed for maximum visibility in the SERPs. What are the benefits of using AI in search marketing? ChatGPT AI is a great tool for taking your search marketing to the next level. With it, you can leverage artificial intelligence to power your SEO strategy and see some major benefits. 1. Automation. One of the biggest benefits of ChatGPT AI is automation. ChatGPT AI can automate routine tasks like SEO keyword research, content optimization, and link building. This saves time and energy to be put into more complex tasks that demand manual work, such as developing creative campaigns or building custom client reports. 2. Improved data quality. Another advantage of using AI in search marketing is improved data quality. Automation ensures accuracy, so you get reliable data that you can trust. When the same task is done manually over and over, errors can arise from human mistakes, for example, errors in judgment or incorrect data entry. 3. Cost efficiency. Lastly, ChatGPT AI provides a cost-effective way to boost your SEO strategy. It's cheaper than outsourcing many SEO tasks and allows you to free up your team's time so they can focus on their core competencies instead of mundane tasks like keyword research or ranking analysis. Costs are further reduced thanks to its scalability, adding more AI workers or paying for extra features will only increase costs marginally compared to manual labor costs associated with these same tasks performed by human workers. Conclusion. No matter what stage you are in your SEO journey, ChatGPT AI has something to offer. It can help bring your keyword research to a new level of accuracy, help you generate creative and engaging content ideas, better monitor competitors' activities, and get deeper insights into the customer journey. It's time to take your SEO strategy to the next level and get ChatGPT AI working for you. Whether you're just starting in SEO or are a seasoned veteran, ChatGPT AI can make all the difference. Get started now and unlock the potential of this revolutionary technology. Register now. For free. Registered users will receive instant access to OMail, ONet and OTrim through Onpassive ecosystem. You can enjoy the 14-day free trial for OConnect, a video conferencing tool from Onpassive. Join us. Thank you. Yours Satya Papu.